question answer and I give you
Copy.
Yes, yes, write in copy.
If we write, why not open in copy?
I mean copy.
I mean fear copy. Ma'am.
If we write, why not write?
I
कति के छन् स्क्रिनशट गर्ने के लेख्दैन कतै स्क्रिनशट गराइदिने
I also, why you not writing right now?
Which page number? Ma'am, we have to write this.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, कॉल के रहा.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, Ayush Vandarich. Doing like this.
Ma'am, right.
Ma'am, right. Ma'am, right. Ma'am, right. Ma'am, right. Ma'am, on.
Ma'am, right.
Begin Prajuli. I'm writing copy. Upar Rajuli.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. Ma'am, writing copy. Ma'am, writing copy.
हैन नानी हो तपाईलाई म्यामले लेख्नु कपीमा भन्नु भएको छ कति सोध्नु भएको शी टोल्ड यु टु राइट इन कपी नि
हेलो मैम why you are disconnecting audio apa yo मैम विपिन से स्टेट मैम कसैले क्लियरली भयो मैम विपिन से स्टेट मैम क्लियर कॉपी मा मैम राइटिंग क्लियर कॉपी और रफ कॉपी
Right.
मैम राइटिंग क्लियर कॉपी और रफ कॉपी मैम राइटिंग क्लियर कॉपी और रफ कॉपी मैम इट इज कनेक्टिंग ऑडियो मैम राइटिंग क्लियर कॉपी हेलो मैम हुनुहुन्छ मैम हुनुहुन्छ त्यहाँ
मलाई सुन्नुभएको छ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
सुन्नुभएको छ
ma'am.
मलाई?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We are writing now. Keshav Wagle, Samragi, I will make you out from the class. Be careful, okay? So root on shoot लेख्नु भइसक्यो. Shoot, this part of the plant grows above the soil.
No, ma'am.
Okay, this part of the plants grow above the soil. Root चाहिँ sorry, under the soil. Root चाहिँ भुइँमुनि हुन्छ and it absorbs water. पानी absorb गर्छ. पानी एब्जर्ब्स गर्छ। यो हटाइदिनुस् है, म फेरि क्लासबाट आउट गरिदिन्छु। अहिले दुईजनालाई आउट गरिसकेको छु मैले। लेख्न पाउनुहुन्न, फेरि म मेसेन्जरमा पनि दिँदैन है, बी केयरफुल।
Ma'am, write in your copy.
Yes, not writing. Write fast. लेख्नु पर्छ हैन। Shoot is one number. This part of the plant grows above the soil. है, above जमिनदेखि माथि हुन्छ shoot. जमिनदेखि माथि सबै shoot हुन्छ है। जमिनदेखि माथि सबै shoot हुन्छ। Keshav Wagle. Okay, wait. Keshav Wagle is out from the class. Keshav Wagle सधैँको लागि आउट है। अब कहिले क्लासमा आउन पाउँदैन। ओके, केशव वाग्ले रिमुभ। मैले हटाइदिएँ केशव वाग्लेलाई। ओके, सो 2 number is it supports the plant to stand erect. 2 number of shoot को 2 number के छ? It supports the plant to stand erect. To stand erect. Erect भनेको सिधा उभिनको लागि shootले हेल्प गर्छ। C number is stamen and pistil. है, क्वेशन लेख्नको लागि you have to read, you have to leave.
बोलेको छैन हजुर म्याम।
You have to leave.
Ma'am, your sound is not coming.
भाई लाइट डालो, लाइट भाई समाज में भाई।
Female part of the plant. Pistil is female part of the plant. Pistil is female part of the plant. Pistil is female part of the plant. Female part of a flower also. Same thing. It is a female part of a flower. 2 number, it grows into fruit. Pistil पछि गएर के बन्छ? फ्रुट बन्छ भनेर पढाएको थिए। Yes, if you remember this, it grows into fruit. It grows into fruit. Pistil, fruit. Pistil grows into fruit.
Ma'am, your sound is not coming.
Different, sir. So write the question, fruit and seed, and then Fruit. 1 number. It is juicy. Juicy and fleshy part of the plant. Fruits. Fruits को it is juicy and fruits भन्छ त्यसलाई एस हटाइदिनुस् है त्यो फ्रुट्स भन्छ है फ्रुट्स नम्बर 1 नम्बर त्यसपछि फ्रुट्स भन्छ त्यसलाई फ्रुट गराइदिनु है फ्रुट गरेर लेख्नुस् एस हटाइदिए हुन्छ है फ्रुट इट इज फ्रुट लेख्नु है यसलाई एस नगर्नुस् फ्रुट इट इज जुसी एन्ड फ्लेशी पार्ट अफ द प्लान्ट जुसी हुन्छ फ्लेशी हुन्छ भनेको के हुन्छ फ्लेशी भनेको त्यसमा के हुन्छ भित्र खानेकुरा हुन्छ गुदी हुन्छ त्यसलाई के भन्छ फ्लेशी भन्छन् ओके फ्लेशी पार्ट अफ द प्लान्ट ओके and 2 number it has seed a fruit has seed in it fruits भित्र seed हुन्छ so two difference between it is juicy and fleshy part of the plant 2 number it has seed write carefully okay write carefully this is about fruit I said not to write as okay only fruit not as fruits हैन fruit मात्रै गर्नु है so next is seed now we write about seed लेख्ने 1 number seed 1 number fruit it is juicy and fleshy part of the plant it has seed
Ma'am, my work is completed.
nobody will speak okay okay seed is 1 number it is hard and dry part of the plant hard huncha taro huncha dry means sukha huncha it's not like fruit is fleshy but seeds are dry and hard so 1 number it is hard and dry part of the plant seed 1 number it is hard and dry part of the plant it is hard and dry part of the plant it is hard and dry part of the plant okay 2 number of seed it has a baby plant that grows into a new plant inside the seed there is very small baby plant that is called embryo about the embryo you have not read in this class you may read it in your next class अगाडिको क्लासमा पढ्नु पर्छ है एम्ब्रियोको बारेमा सो it has a baby plant that grows into a new plant future ma when we keep the seed inside the soil under the soil and then we give some water then seed grow into a new baby plant so that it has a baby plant that grows into a okay now everybody is checking from the first those who have not completed they are writing those who have completed already they are checking it so there it is page number 33 question number 5 differentiate between taproot and fibrous root taproot it has a thick long main root check garnus आफ्नो copy ma you can check with the teacher is speaking you should check in your copy taproot 1 number it has a thick long main root thick and long main root huncha taproot ma and 2 number it goes deep in the soil taproot भुइँको धेरै भित्रसम्म जमिन मुनि गएको हुन्छ main root okay main root हुन्छ र भुइँ भित्र जान्छ you have to remember this way then fibrous root it does not have main root. Fibrous root ma kunai main root hudaina because it has many root hairs starting from the same point. If you remember that picture, you can see in your book also. Taproot and fibrous root picture is also given in your book. Okay, if you have seen it, it is in page number 21 and 22. So fibrous root, it does not have main root. It does not go deep in the soil. Fibrous root भुइँमुनि गए धेरै भुइँमुनि जाँदैन है, गहिरोसम्म जान सक्दैन फाइब्रस रूट। तर ट्याप रूट के हुन्छ, भुइँमा धेरै डिपसम्म गहिरोसम्म जान सक्छ। B number is root and shoot. I said you to leave one line to write next question. B number, root and shoot. Root, 1 number. This part of the plant grows under the soil. भुइँमुनि हुन्छ। 2 number, it absorbs water. पानी absorbs गर्ने काम गर्छ है। यसको अरु पनि लेख्न सकिन्छ, but this is the small and easy one. This part of the plant grows under the soil. 2 number, it absorbs water. Shoot. Next is shoot. त्यस्तै गरेर हेडिङ दिएर लेख्नु होला जसरी मैले गराएको छु। कपीमा चाहिँ हामीसँग ठाउँ धेरै हुन्छ, हामी आरामसँग लाइन छोडेर स्पेस धेरै लिएर लेख्न सक्छौं। So shoot 1 number. This part of the plant grows above the soil. Above means भुइँ बाहिर, भुइँ माथि, above the soil. 2 number, it supports the plant to stand erect. Erect means सिधा, stand means उभिनको लागि shoot ले help गर्छ। This part of the plant grows above the soil and it supports the plant to stand erect. It supports the plant to stand erect. C number, अब नया क्वेश्चन लेख्दा है फेरि एउटा लाइन छोड्ने। Stamen and pistil. Stamen 1 number, it is male part of a flower. Stamen चाहिँ flower को male part हुन्छ। It contains pollen grains. उसको हेड भित्र खोलेर हेर्ने भने हुन्छ। While teaching the lesson, I had said you this clearly, which is called pollen grains. So powder-like substance लाई हामी pollen grains भन्छौं। And pistil, pistil 1 number, it is the female part of a flower. यो female part हुन्छ flower को। It grows into fruit. जुन पछि गएर के बन्छ, fruit बन्छ। pistil चाहिँ पछि गएर fruit बन्ने हो। pistil चाहिँ पछि गएर fruit बन्ने हो। So this is the difference between stamen and pistil. Stamen is male part, pistil is female part. Stamen contains pollen grains, but pistil grows into fruit. And the last was seed, fruit and seed. Fruit and seed. One line छोडेर लेख्नु होला। I said you who are writing still, you leave one line to when you write next question. Okay. Then fruit, it is juicy and fleshy part of the plant. Juicy and fleshy हुन्छ, juice हुन्छ, fleshy हुन्छ, खानेकुरा हुन्छ, गुदीबाट पार्ट हुन्छ जस्तो हामी खान्छौं। It has seed, यसभित्र seed हुन्छ। Seed, it is the hard and dry part of the plant. Hard and dry हुन्छ, सारो हुन्छ, सुक्खा हुन्छ, dry. And then 2 number, it has a baby plant that grows into a new plant. यसभित्र seed भित्र एउटा baby plant हुन्छ that grows into a new plant in the future when we place it into the under the soil and provide the water. अनि seed bata naya plant germinate garna sakcha. I hope all of you have completed this work. Few minutes only remaining there.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Some are writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Some are writing.
And I am in
write
seed.
very fast. Everybody, you will write this work in your copy very nicely, and also you will read it. Also, you will read this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it is already 33. Those who have not completed, that they complete it very fast. नभ्याउनु भएकोले भ्याउनुस्, भ्याइसक्नु भएकोले चेकिङ गर्नुस्। This is homework to write it and send it. लेखेर गुड ह्यान्ड राइटिङमा अनि पठाउनु होला मेसेन्जरमा।
This is homework. Ma'am, यो homework हो।
होमवर्क हो यो रिडिङ एन्ड राइटिङ। राइटिङ त तपाईहरुले गरिसक्नु भएको छ है, यसलाई रिड पनि गर्ने। पठाउनु होला कसरी लेख्नु भएको छ, आई वान्ट टु सी। कपी पठाउनु होला कसरी लेख्नु भएको छ, स्पेलिङ मिस्टेक हुन सक्छ, यु हैव टु सी दिस टाइम यु क्यान सी, चेक योर स्पेलिङ। कोही कोहीले होमवर्क एकदमै राम्रोसँग गर्नुपर्छ, होमवर्क चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो क्लियर हुन्छ, कोही कोहीको चाहिँ ब्याड ह्यान्ड राइटिङ हुन्छ, क्लियर हुँदैन। पिक्चर सेन्ड गर्दाखेरि क्लियर पिक्चर सेन्ड गर्नुपर्छ।
Ma'am, in which date drawing will be?
Which date what will be? What did you ask?
Drawing.
Drawing?
Yes.
Okay, there is one drawing I think backside in your book. बुक मा छ, अब सबैसँग बुक छैन होला। बुक को पेज नम्बर 34 मा एउटा ड्राइङ छ, लेबल द गिवन फिगर अनि फ्लावर को पार्ट दिएको छ है। म यो होमवर्क तपाईहरुलाई सैटरडे दिन्छु है, यो होमवर्क म तपाईहरुलाई सैटरडे दिन्छु है। तपाईहरु सैटरडे फ्री हुनुहुन्छ नि?
म्याम मसँग बुकै छैन।
त्यही भएर म सैटरडे दिन्छु है। Tomorrow is Wednesday. We will have our math class. भोलि Wednesday हुन्छ, हाम्रो math class हुन्छ। अनि Wednesday, Thursday, Friday math class पनि हुन्छ। सबै सब कपीमै भइराछ है।
Ma'am, not listening up. Ma'am, not listening properly. Ma'am.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday हाम्रो म्याथ क्लास हुन्छ। त्यही भएर म्याथ क्लास हाम्रो 3 दिन म्याथ क्लास लिइसकेपछि सैटरडे तपाईहरु फ्री हुनुहुन्छ। त्यस दिन म चाहिँ तपाईहरुलाई ड्राइङ को दिन्छु, यो फ्लावर को ड्राइङहरु दिन्छु। किनभने सबैसँग बुक छैन, म आफै ड्राइङ दिनु पर्छ। त्यही भएर म आज अब भ्याउँदिन, भोलि पनि हामी म्याथकै क्लासमा बिजी हुन्छौं, भ्याउँदिन। म सैटरडे फ्री हुन्छु अनि सैटरडे तपाईहरुलाई म आफै ड्राइङ दिन्छु अनि आफै त्यसमा पार्ट्सहरु लेखेर दिन्छु। सैटरडे त्यही गर्छौं हामीले।
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. What is homework? Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Phone आथ्यो। Homework is reading. Ma'am, what is homework?
अझै एउटा कुरा म अघि भनेको कुराको फेरि रिपिट गर्दैछु मैले है। तपाईले
What is homework?
यो धेरै जना
Ma'am, what is homework?
स्टुडेन्टको यो चाहिँ डिभाइसको नामबाट छ, डिभाइसको नामबाट यो राख्नु भएको छ। त्यो चाहिँ नेम चेन्ज गर्न भन्नु होला प्यारेन्ट्सलाई है। अहिले पनि म आइप्याड IMEC1 यो देखेर राखेको छु।
What is homework?
यो हटाएर सबैले आफ्नो नाम लेख्नु होला है। अनि हल्ला नगर्नुस्, म कुरा गर्दैछु नि। अनि यो हु आई भनेको छ, हु इज दिस, टेल योर प्यारेन्ट्स to change this name and just write the student name. आफ्नै नाम student के नामबाट गराउन भन्नु होला। It will be using from their parents so that they also have to change. Okay, homework यही हो। तपाईले यो लेख्ने अनि रिड गर्ने, लेख्ने अनि रिड गर्ने। ओके
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ready, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, I'm looking at you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
डेल भनेको DELL डेल भनेको को हुनुहुन्छ यो? अनि सुन्नुहोस् यहाँ ग्रुपमा सुन्नुहोस् यहाँ